You know, this ain't a bad office. This is not a bad office at all. Dude, I think Gen Z gets it. Basically, I'm figuring out how to do all my work from my phone. I still occasionally have to check them on my laptop for the heftier things, but okay, Gen Z, I'm starting to see what you're seeing. I get it. Okay. I'm still working like 16 hours a day, but right here from my phone. So why in the world am I working right here when I could just be working right here? Dystopian Brewing. We are going to be going inside this beautiful lofty space here, locally owned, and occasionally, at least I remember, I used to DJ here for art markets. They are a part of the community. Great tasting beer. You know me though, I no longer drink alcohol, which is fine. I'm gonna get a non-alcoholic beverage. They do have those for you, and they're dog friendly. Check it out. All right, now we are at the Forum, which is also another good locally owned spot. I feel like getting their bacon on my salad, so that's why we're going here. They're also dog friendly too, surprisingly. And see, here we go. So how's that tape holding up? Good one, Ronnie. Yeah, Pats. I know, I will get there. It just... today was just one of those days. So I know these videos are going to be short. We didn't make it to Pabs today. That was on my agenda today. But the reason why we didn't make it to Pabs is, well, it's confidential. Anyway, I'm going to show you some pictures of the before and after of the first time we took one of our cars to Pabs. And they did such an amazing job that ever since, we just take our cars there. So if you lived in Tacoma through COVID, chances are at some point along the way when we were all coming back to driving on the road again at the same time, Pabs and I became friends.